let's get into the topic. How many in 23 dozen? So many things in the market are sold by the dozen. For example, bangles and bananas. Children, you have seen your mama is every time your mama brings bangles as a dozen. You can ask from your mother. Okay. Bananas also you can bring as a dozen. Okay. So example, bangles and bananas are often sold by the dozen. So here we need to find out. We know 1 dozen bananas means 12 bananas. So 23 dozen banana is equal to how much? So we will find out in notebook. Now let's find out for 23 dozen bananas. Children, to find out answer, we need to multiply 23 and 12, because here is total number of bananas in one dozen is 12, and we need to find out number of bananas in 23 dozen. Okay, so what we do first, you can see here 23 and 12 both we have to split. Okay, so 23 also we can split, as 23 can be written as 20 plus 3 multiply by 12. How can we write 12? We will write here as a 10 plus 2. Children, till now we have splitted only one number and multiplied by next number. But here both are bigger, you can see. So we will split 23 as well as 12. That's why I have written 23 as 20 plus 3 and 12 as 10 plus 2. Now how to multiply? Let's see here. Here I drawn here box, and first number you can see 20 plus 3 I have written this way, and then 10 plus 2, first I will write 10 here, and then downside we will write 2. Then what we do? You see here carefully, children. First we multiply 10 by 20. That means 10 into 20. So children, I have explained how to multiply this two number directly. So can you tell me how to multiply directly? Here we will not see first 0. We will see only that number who is standing on tens place. That is, here is 2 and here is 1. So we multiply 2 ones are 2. So we will write here 2, and then after 2 we will write how many 0? You can count here 1 and 2 0. So after 2 we will put here 2 0. Now what we do, children? After multiply we multiply 10 by 3. Okay, after multiply by 20 we start to multiply 10 by 3. So 10 threes are 30. Okay. Now we see here number 2. So again same thing, same method we will do here. Means we have to multiply 2 by 20 and then after 2 by 3. So let's start. 2 by 20 is directly we can multiply. No need to apply any method, children. So first we multiply 2 by 2, that is 4. 2 2s are 4. So we will write here 4, and after 4 how many 0? Only 1 0. We will insert here 1 0 after product. So here we will write 2 2s are 4, and then we put here 0, 1 0 only. Now we multiply 2 by 3. So 2 3s are 6. So our multiplication work is over. Now what we do, children? Are you seeing here in this box there are 4 numbers, 200, 30, 40 and 6. So we add all numbers, right? First we arrange all numbers vertically. Bigger number first we take 200, then after 30, 40 and 6. So let's start to add. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. We know, children, when we add 0 with any number, we get same number. Okay, this is the properties of addition. So here when we add all 4 numbers, we get 6. So here we will write 6. Now we add the number which is on tens place. So here is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. And 7 plus 0 is 7. Same number. So here we will write 7. And now we see 100 place, that is 2. Then we write 2 here. So total number, when we add all number, we get 276. Okay, so here we will write the answer. We can say, children, there are total 276 bananas in 23 dozen bananas, right? Let's try another one. Here is question 43 multiply by 13. Okay. So we as we see here, both are bigger numbers, so we can split both number. Okay. So here 43 we can write as 40 and 3. Okay. And 13 we can write as 10 plus 3. Okay. So how to arrange this number? Look at here, children. Here already you can see clearly here a box, and upside written first number, that is 40 plus 3, and then after second number 10 plus 3. Now we multiply. When we multiply 10 by 40, look at here. Here is written clearly 40 multiplied by 10. So how to multiply directly? First we multiply number which is standing on tens place, which is on tens place. So 4 ones are 4, and remaining 2 0 we can insert here, that is 2 0. So 40 multiplied 10 is equal to 400. Now we need to multiply for 10 by 3. So 10 3s are 30, right? Here already written. Now we multiply 3 by 40. So when we multiply 3 by 40, we get 120. And then when we multiply 3 by 3, those 3 3s are 9. Now we add all numbers. So when we add, which number we add? 400, 120, 30 and 9. So let's add all numbers. Add the numbers in the boxes. First we arrange vertically and then add. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9 is 9, and when we add 3 plus 2 plus 0 we get 5. Now see the hundreds place number. 4 plus 1 is 5. So finally we get 559. So we can say here 43 multiplied 13 is equal to 559. I hope, students, you have